I hope you watched the first part of my video. If you are here, that means you probably already had Route Prime added with Route Travel into it. And so it's part of your subscription. And now you want to know how to use the portal. If you aren't somebody like that, hopefully my walkthrough today convinces you that you will go add it to your RPS. So please enjoy as I show you how to navigate the site. So like I said, once your Route Travel has processed from your subscription, this travel button pops up and you can access your Route Travel portal. When you access the portal, it will look like this. It says Route Travel up top. We'll say, your name, your email that it's logged into. Using this portal, there's a lot of fun things you can do. It's almost like any other hotel travel portal you would use. You can pick the place that you want to go to. I've always wanted to go to Tokyo. Huge Japan person. You can pick the dates. I believe you can go up to 2 weeks. We'll do a week to start. Number of people, usually I just put 2 because that's the basis. But when you search it, it will come up with the options. Another thing to point out, I had some questions on this as I was doing tutorials with people. Should you wait to book last second or should you book earlier on? It really depends on what you want. When you book early, you'll have more options. So if I book a month, 2 months out in advance, I'm going to have a lot more options. If I am booking the week before, there might be less options, but I might be getting better deals because these hotels are trying to get rid of their rooms. And so it really just depends on what you're looking for, more options or just higher discounts. I will say the closer to the date that you book, the more often you'll get non-refundable hotels as well. So just keep an eye out on that. You can, and now this is loaded, you can divide it up by refundable and non-refundable here on the side, which is a great feature. But as you can see, it shows all these options of places. I can see what the rating of the hotel is. I can see what the pricing is, and I can also see what I would save. And so as you can see over here, can I highlight? Yes, it says I would save over $1,500 for this trip. And it will even compare the price to another major, hotel travel agency. And so here it compares to Expedia. And you'll see if I did this through Expedia, it would cost over $3,000. If I'm booking through Route Travel, I'm only paying about $1,500. So amazing deals. I want to show you all here on the side a little bit. You can view all the hotels on a map to kind of pick the areas you want to be in. You can divide it up by what your budget is. So if I want to find a place that is under $500 for a week-long trip, you can find that. And as you can see here, Expedia, I'd be paying $926. Route Travel, I'm paying $495. You can also divide it up by amenities that you want, what type of places. So if you're looking for an apartment, if you're looking for a hotel, resorts, hostels, whatever it is, it will have those different options. Now, I want to show people that there is a lot of variety to this. It is worldwide. So let's look up where I've never been to Paris. So let's see what that would look like. And like I said, it is worldwide. I just wanted to give you all some options of what it would look like. But with the ways that you can navigate it and have the variety, it really is amazing. So you can see here, I'm saving over $1,200 at a almost 4-star hotel in Paris. At this 5-star hotel, I'm saving almost $1,700. Like I said, you can divide that up. If you're looking specifically for 2 stars, there is complete variety on pricing, what you're looking for. And as you can see, it is everywhere. So please try this out. It is a great opportunity. It saves anybody who is traveling, and it is worth it. So this is Route Travel. Hopefully you all learned and enjoyed.